Hi everybody, good morning. It's Friday. Market open, but I mean, we had non-farm employment change, but very high impact news at 8:30 and the market dipped. Holy shit. 250 points in a minute. So we're probably going to move like shit today. I don't really know if I'm going to be trading. Let's mark out open. And let's see. I mean, if you just shorted from this fair value gap, you're up 80 points. But let's wait. I was doing some research, some studying yesterday. I found some things that I want to, implement. But as of right now, I mean, they're just kind of consolidating. Maybe we'll get like some manipulation and then we'll get manipulation into something, like maybe sweeping out. I don't even know. Sell side, I guess, down here. Something to come up. Or maybe want to fill this imbalance more. But I mean, if we're gonna go lower, let's go to the hourly time frame. We've got I'm sure we might have an SMT up here. Uh, like we have these highs, which we both hit. We have these highs, which we both haven't. No, we're just kind of chilling. Say you love me, but that's we have these two 4-hour high lows. We're just watching. But we have a nice little imbalance there, but I don't see price maybe filling this. You might have filled it on a different broker, but as of right now, guys, I'm just chilling. Yeah. What's crazy is that even if you take a short off this fair value gap, entering at least right here, right, your stop loss is 40 points. I'm chilling. Alright, I'm gonna come back when something fucking happens, guys. I'm not gonna just gonna sit here and have this video be fucking hours long. I'm only gonna take something that I really like because after such a huge sell-off, we might move a little crazy. And this was right at 8:30, so you couldn't have even like caught it. I mean, you could have, but dude, if you shorted this, that would have been insane. All right, I'm gonna get my webcam fixed, and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna see if I end up taking anything. All right, everybody. It's 11. Oh, my computer doesn't die. It's 11:06, and I have not taken a trade yet. Um, where's the charger? Uh, we just inversed the 5 minute gap. So, a little late. We inversed this little 5 minute. We filled back inside. The 15 minute, we're respecting a nice 30 minute fair value gap here. I think the obvious draw on liquidity is lower. It's just talking about when is the best opportunity to enter. And I'm not gonna lie, it was probably here, but I would have wanted to see if we waited to see if we inversed and we did. So let me see something. If I just enter now, it's 24 points. Are we getting anything on a higher time frame? Coming through that little thing she was doing. I have yet to take a trade. Um, my teachers for next semester are already posting like stuff. But I'm not seeing any reasons to enter the market. I mean, if we inversed the 5 minute and came up inside this 1 minute, you could have entered. But we had the 1 minute fair value gap first. I'm gonna see if this ends up happening. We'll be back. It actually doesn't have to happen though, because this is a balanced price range. Let's see. Maybe we're gonna tap into this 5 minute and then come up. Because I mean, this low's already gone. So I'm gonna stop this. See if I even end up taking a trade. I might not. Just the way with the market is moving, and the way that I'm trading like a pussy. But we'll see. Um, I'll be back. I'm like, let me start this because we might have something. We we came down from this 30-minute fair value gap and we're going lower. And I feel like if we're gonna go lower, we're gonna at least hit the lows down here. Because on ES, we also have not hit these lows yet. Um, so I think we're due to go a little bit lower. Now, the question is where? And is this the best entry that I can have? So we're currently respecting a 5 minute fair value gap, right? Um, Now if ES took out this 30-minute low, then that's a different story. Then I might be looking for buys, I'm not gonna lie. But ES and NQ have both yet to hit that low. So I'm looking for shorts. So we have this 5 minute, and then we low key might be able to enter. Nah, let's see if we can disrespect this little 30 second. We do have this one, but I mean, if I enter down here, P&L wise is pretty shit. So that's why I'm holding off. Like if I take it off an inverse here, I feel like that holds more weight. We might we're respecting the shit out of this little 30 second. But there's no 2 minute, there's like a 2 minute. Hmm, let me think. I mean, that's just why I'm waiting. Because we're respecting this one. But we have a 30-minute fair value gap, we have a 5 minute fair value gap, a 5 minute inverse. And I think we're due to go lower. Like we swept out these levels here, but price is still indicating that we want to go lower because we're respecting bearish order flow. Like this 30 second, whatever the fuck you want to call it, and then a fair value gap. We're respecting it, we're going lower. There's nothing on the 15 minute necessarily. 5 minute we have this nice fair value gap. I say nice, but it's kind of just okay. And I'm just kind of waiting right now. If we do get a 30-second fair value gap here, I will enter off that. Or do I enter off the inverse with stops above there? It depends how much we inverse it by. First TP is down there. How many points is that? 32. See, we don't technically inverse it, right? But did we inverse it? Because holy shit. No, we really didn't. Um, we come up and respect this 30 seconds, and we could also enter. You could have entered maybe just off the fair value gap, but I am actually okay with waiting. Damn, it's dipped a shit ton. And we also just fucking inversed this one. So, and we tapped back inside. I got it. Oopsie. I got a C. We're gonna have a bearish gap there as well. But this is all on the 30-second. My real draw on liquidity is down here. Unless ES hits it, which is why I gotta look at both. I'm not gonna lie. If we get a 1 minute fair value gap, even if we just trade inside, I will enter. And I would love to wait, or I would love if price actually doesn't even hit that level yet, and we um, tap into the fair value gap first. Did ES hit it yet? No. ES only has fucking 4 points to go. We're not gonna get a fair value gap. You know how you can just kind of tell when price does not want to necessarily hit a fair value gap? I can fucking tell. We might get a 3 minute. 3 minute actually kind of looks like a better risk to reward. Alright, we're gonna get in here. Because we actually hit the fucking fair value gap. So stops are slightly above. And low key, I want to see. That's $2,000. Whoa, I didn't know it was that much. This is 30. All right, we took it. We could take some off here because I'm saying that because it is 30 points, you know? And that's low key a lot. I'm already up 500. We're not gonna have a 3 minute. How much am I up? I'm debating Debating. Being up 20 points, getting emotional. Do I just lock in some profit? You know? Do I just lock in profit? That was your rage if you heard it. Do I go break even? I went break even. A little bit fucking more than break even. I got out because I want to see. I don't know. Did I get out for no fucking reason? Yeah.
Order filled.
We got back in. I really want to see price go down there. But our stops are down here. Did the 5 minute close? Oh, wait a minute. I don't like how we necessarily close while respecting that 5 minute.
Order
Alright,
filled.
I got out. I only got out because I don't like how we're still respecting this 5 minute. 200 is better than nothing, especially because it's 11:30 and I just don't know. I don't. Oopsie. I've seen so many times us trade within this fair value gap, and then we just get like a strong like bias thing out of it. But I'm gonna keep this here to see if I would still be in the trade. 250. So because a lot of the times, if we inverse this 5 minute, different fucking story. Different fucking story. I would be holding this bitch, but we respecting it, and we're not gonna disrespect it for another 5 minutes. You know. So if anything, I should still be in it from when I originally entered, which was where 9:45, 42, 9:45. Oh wow. Was that just emotions, I guess? I guess it was. I mean, but one candle jumping 37 points? Come on, it's not. All right, there's a live fucking trade recap. It was only like a few points. I went break even I was actually gonna take profit here and then down here, and we're gonna fucking smack it. That's what I get for being a pussy. But I didn't like how we already hit that low. So I'm gonna come back later if I do end up taking another trade. If I do, it would be with 10 things and not 15. But I'll see you guys then. Guys, we have like a little gamble that I might take. We have an SMT. ES took out the 30-minute low, and on Nasdaq we haven't. Now, what I'm seeing is we're getting a strong fucking bias bullish reaction out, right? You take this 1 minute inverse, right? Stops. You really stop should be down there, but maybe right there. Am I taking this? Oh my god, wait. Fuck. Get the fuck out of here. Maybe if we come down. You low-key could. Confluences, you have an SMT, high time frame SMT. We have a liquidity sweep. We swept out. These levels, we have a 1 minute. If you just entered off the inverse, what are you looking like? Curious. Because I was thinking about it. Obviously now, guys, really, is it still going? Yeah. Obviously now, tapping this inverse doesn't mean shit to me. I should have fucking taken, oh my god, I should have just took the, I should have just longed. How many points was this inverse? My rule is if it's less than 10, I'll take it. It was 7 points. Why did I not fucking take it? Now, guys, I'm not taking any type of, I need a 30-second here that you could have had as well. But, that long setup is gone. I would not do it anymore. I would wait for a higher time frame fair value gap. Like one of these 2 minutes, maybe. Yeah, that's all we see what happens. If we end up kind of wicking this and going, I'll short. But if not, if we inverse it, then I don't know if I want to long because we do have this 15-minute for. I mean, it's a little one, but 30 minutes is still fucking bearish structure. We might actually, we might actually have like a. I don't know. I'm waiting. Dude, I'm gonna actually give this a shot. Okay, 5 points is a little excessive. Come back up. Come back up. Come back up. A little bit. Alright, we could try.
Order
This
filled.
is a bad fill. But this is a 9 point fill. It's already $100. I should be in this right now, and not where I am. If we come down a little bit, I'm gonna get out, or it will just stop me out. That's gonna stop me out. No, maybe not. I'm trying to write a review. Yeah, it's done.
Order filled.
Fuck out of here. It's 15 minute, dude. Come on. Let's keep the thing there though. I'm throwing this fucking bitch up again because look at this shit. Bias again is correct. We dumped 30 points. Problem was entry. I mean, but taking it off this 1 minute, you would put your stop. I feel like. I mean, you should put. But I wouldn't have minded just a little bit of bucks, but I would have been stopped at regardless. So let's see what happens. We're gonna get a 1 minute bearish fair value gap. So we're respecting the 15 minute. They're respecting the 15 minute, the 5 minute, and whatever. We're gonna get a little bearish gap here. Problem is this bearish gap is 20 points. Oh, you could have entered because I mean we tapped that green line, like I said, and we tapped into it.
Order filled.
I think this is pretty fucking good. So go. All right, let's see what happens. Hey, delete the green line. Like we haven't hit these lows yet on either one. I mean, I just gotta wait and see now what happens. See what happens when ES or NQ takes out this low. Gotta see. Yes, we're about to hit it. I could actually maybe. I'm selling, so buy. Let's sell
Order
five
filled.
and actually go break even because we hit the level on the thing. Um, Selling, so we'll leave limit buy. But because we might get a nice fucking reaction out of here. I gotta see if we keep printing lower, but just in case we don't, I'm done. Regardless of the outcome of this, I'm done. I would love if it hits it, so I could end the day. Let me move this a little bit. So I could end it up, but we'll see. Don't inverse this little 30 second. Don't inverse it. It might. Let's move it. It's volatile as fuck right now. We're not gonna inverse it. Oh, yes, did we? We did. I mean, see what happens.
Order
And
filled.
I'm stopped out. See, that's why I got out. This as the ES taking the low and NQ hasn't, man. That means something. I mean, but we literally did just jump right back down. It pays to share your opinion. I want to see. There's no news later today, right? Come on, reset. No. All right, guys. I'm calm. What am I down? $17. Whoop de woo. I don't like the way we're moving. Um, Today was weird. Price action today was. Let me come over here. Just okay. I want to take a look. Price action was kind of weird. I really didn't see anything. Actually, you could have shorted here. It was during the macro time too. And I think I literally was going to short, just to show you guys. I literally was going to short this, but I wanted to wait until this 1 minute got inversed. However, this one fucking 1 minute candle dropped 70, 80 points. And I was like, all right, well, there goes that fucking idea. Like, what kind of what kind of inverse is this? I was like, I want to see this get inversed, and then I'll short because this risk to reward was pretty good. I would probably would have done up here. Like this is not bad. To target like levels are down there, like levels down there. But we inversed it by 80 points. Like, are you serious? Like, what the fuck? It was insane. Yes, I remember you. But anyway, I don't know. I'll be back, guys. I'm probably gonna be done. I kind of want to take another trade, but this is how I ended up losing like all my money yesterday. So I'm probably gonna call it a day. I'm gonna get this video out as soon as I can. Yeah.